Hello friends, welcome to GearMap Travel and Photography channel, and today we will do a quick review of Accessories X-Strap releasable zip tie mount for action cameras. Recently I did an unboxing and review of GoPro handlebar and seat post mount, and while it's an excellent piece of accessory, it cannot be mounted anywhere but round objects such as poles and bars. This is where the X-Strap comes into picture. This is a simple yet very interesting and effective concept. This zip tie has a range of 16 mm to 60 mm. Within this range, you can mount your action camera on a thicker pole, a square pole, or even a tree branch. The X-Strap is made up of high quality plastic and feels solid. One thing I wish the ball head would have been of metal construction. Nevertheless, it does hold its camera firmly in its place. While the X-Strap can be mounted confidently on a steady platform, I wouldn't recommend this on a moving object like a road bike or a motorcycle. The plastic will simply slip off while riding due to vibrations. The 1/4 inch thread is of metal though. So concluding, I think it's a very good accessory to throw in your camera bag, and it does not take much space nor it's very heavy. Let's see some field footages captured using the X-Strap. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos in future.